Gicagi-ini giki mwena wa Tigania irathiro, aikari maracemania gutungania meciria makiriga kia murimu urio matharikire. Turonda turaubuka ngothi-ini na thutha wa ihinda inini igatuika kironda kinene na maguta ma gukoma nimo dawa yao kwa ihinda-ini riri.
Thibitari araura ntu baigwo bayitu iko barumiko na bangi bakuite already. Na kanyimo ko ikangentu kakaria njuki. Lakini kate kuwateka kinya wa irio kawata na kakangentio ya bronjo kirathana.
No afitha murugamiriri wa thibitari-ini ya Muthara George Koome augite ati uyu ni murimu wa Muriru utharikire gicagi giki, dariri ire gwithwa muno nginyagia mwiri ukaimba na muthia ironda ikaumira, undu uria ucungirire uthuthuria utafanio wa kumenya andu aya marutire murimu uyu ku.
Presentation of the people who are coming and their history. They indicate we are dealing with anthrax because the majority of people who are coming they have attested to having eaten meat from dead animals.
Muingi ni uritio witheme na kuria nyama itathuthuritio ni maobithaa a kurora ukinyaniru wa nyama, kuona kuria nyama cia mahiu marwarite murimu uyu nikio gitumi kinene kia andu kurwara, na oho makorio mangikwira mena murimu uyu mathii thibitari-ini na ihenya ta uria mangihota.
The rest of the people, in case they see either swelling or other wound, or they start scratching and they have a swelling or wound, they come to the hospital. Because the anthrax is treatable, there are medications available in the hospital, so they are treated early and to avoid the progress of the disease.
Koome augite gukinyiria riu andu eri nio makuite na kenda makakomio thibitari-ini ya Muthara na angi eri thibitari-ini nene ya Meru. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.